For today's assignment, it is going to be in stemscopes. So I'm going to go ahead and show you where to find it. It is going to look like this. It's going to be a green question mark and the words that say skills quiz. Once you find it, you're going to go ahead and click on it. And make sure it says skills quiz from add and subtract within 20. Make sure it's this one. So for each problem, these are going to be the problems. So you are going to read the problem and use the picture to solve. If you want the problem read to you, you can go ahead and press this button right here. Press it until it turns blue, and you will see the blue squares appear with the play button. And if you just click it, it will read the question for you. To fill in the box with the answers, so for this first one, this yellow box, you're going to click on it, and then you're going to click on this white box as well, and it will bring up the blinking line, and now you are able to fill in your answer. And you do that for each problem, so click, and then you are able to fill in your answer. Go to the second page, and right here on number 3, it is requiring you to use the T-chart and read the word problem. So if you need to, you can go to this paintbrush right here, click on it, and you are able to write numbers or draw out your word problem. If you need to erase, you will go to this back button right here that says undo and just click on it until your drawing is erased. As well as for the last problem, just click the paintbrush and you are able to draw out your word problem, and then click this arrow, the backspace arrow, to undo. Once you are done with your problems, you're going to go ahead and click this turn in button. It's on the top right hand corner and it's bright green, so click this turn in button and then go back to Google Classroom in your math section and click the turn in button or mark as done button so your teacher knows that you have completed today's assignment in stemscopes.